I'm back with another mukbang, Trukbang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. We finna get it in. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. Hey, Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Bussin', 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 bussin'.
Good Lord.
Bussin', bussin'.
That smoke flavor that you'll savor.
Amen. Yo, KINFOK, we at Izola'S Country Cafe here in Hinesville, Georgia today. We checking out some good old southern food. I wanted some chicken. I wanted some fried pork. I wanted, but they ain't had that, but that's what I wanted. I wanted some collard greens. I wanted some chicken and rice. I'm trying to get in the mood for Thanksgiving. Somebody invited me over for Thanksgiving dinner this year, and I'm going. So I say, let me go ahead and warm up. We got some fried fish today. Now we're gonna get it thumbnail. Yeah. 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 Oh. Give me that stone face look. For the thumbnail. Yeah. You see it? Get y'all focus on the food. And I come in like, yeah. Whatever. Okay, KINFOK, we got some collard greens, we got some chicken and rice, we got some sweet potato yams, and I think that's redundant, and we got some fried chicken with some fried catfish and some cornbread with some tartar sauce and some hot sauce to put on it all. You hear me? I got some Arnold Palmer. Faye has some macaroni and cheese. She ate that already. How was the macaroni and cheese, Faye? Okay. She said it was good. Let's. She said she did. Had to trust me on that. And I got something for dessert that I'm gonna show y'all later because it looks so exciting. We finna say grace and we finna get it in. Come get you some. Amen. And amen again. I got a tray, but it ain't. You know, I used to have it sitting up high. I ain't got that no more. I'm sorry. Hey, this truck ain't equipped, whatever. We gonna put some hot sauce on the fish. Let's start out with the fish. Get this on out of the way. You see that fish? You see it? Don't be careful. And we gonna put some hot sauce on my fish, baby. So it tastes good to me. And then we gonna dip it in the tartar sauce. I don't know what kind of hot sauce that is, but it's bussin'. Fish okay. Fish are okay. Let me go ahead and knock this other piece of fish out. It ain't got a strong fish flavor. And that's right up my alley. The crunch is there. I think they got hush puppy mix, which is good for the fish battle. Tartar sauce is A1. And hot sauce busting for real. Now let's see if they got some fat on women in the kitchen back there. Put some hot sauce on my collard greens, baby. Sure tastes good to me. Tripping. Ooh, I'm about to make a mistake. Oh. Vinegary. Collard greens tender. Bust out this chicken and rice. Quite nice. Hey, money, Grandma. No, she could make some chicken and rice, but I don't know if she still cook like that or not. Collard green bust. Yeah. There's some woman in there. Arms kind of thick. Arms kind of thick. Sweet potato yam. Oh yeah. The sugar just done crystallized and caramelized on this sweet potato. And guess what I'm finna do? I'm finna take these yams and hit them with the chicken and rice. Boy. Oh man. If I lose weight, no matter how skinny I get, I'm still gonna have a fat attitude. You hear me? Hey, let's do that again. Hey man, this buzzing. We came here before. It was a couple years ago. Might have been like 3 years ago. When y'all was living in Lilgilmoeats, how long ago was that?
4 years? 3?
Might have been, it's been longer. And that food was good then, and it's good now. Let's check out this chicken. That good old Izola'S chicken. And put that hot sauce on that thing, baby. I ain't got no honey. I just kissed this chicken. And my lips ain't want to let go. Okay. And we came right after lunch. But this food is still good, you hear me? And there's still some people going in and out there, you hear me? Had that good old Arnold Palmer. What's Sunset Intimates?
Probably like a hotel.
Hotel. Cause you see a man and a woman walking in. That chicken pretty good. And let's check out this thick thigh. With that delicious hot sauce, man. They make their own hot sauce or something. I don't know nothing about these people. I just be pulling up. And I'm greedy. And they know it. But they give me just enough. It's a boy that I you can trim down some, but we're gonna give you just enough for you to satisfy your taste buds. I am. I got stuff on my face. You ain't saying nothing. You were good. It's skimpy, but I'm full. Let me taste that cornbread. Cornbread a little hard. Like I say, it's after lunch. Some people might like it. I like mine soft and a little bit on the sweet side. When I wet it with that tea, let me dip it in this pot liquor. But it's green. Like that. It ain't bad. Finish off these yams and chicken and rice. Oh, that's a good bite right there. Georgia. Georgia. Ain't nothing like a woman that can cook like this. If you never lose a man if you can cook like this. I'm trying to tell you, if I find me a woman that can cook like this, I ain't going nowhere. I promise. Now you got your man got to find you, and he got to be worth a poop. Don't worry about it. But if you know how to cook and you really and truly love him, he'll never leave. But he got to be worth a doggone, I almost cursed. He got to be worth a poop. I'm talking about doggone their president. You hear me? But if you know how to cook like this, you can cook for your daddy anytime. I wish I could like this. I'd be rolling down the streets. I wouldn't be walking down the street. I'd be rolling down the street if I could like this. Chicken and rice pretty good. It's close to mine, grandmama. And that says something. Talking about that cornbread okay, and I'm still eating it. Okay. They got a buffet in there, but all you can eat, you take many trips. It's like Piccadilly's and Marston's used to be. They fix your plate, and they got unlimited trips. That's why I say buffet. You can go eat whatever you want as many times you want for a price. 2 meats, 2 sides is $13.99. 1 meat, 2 sides is $9.99. Like I said, they give you just enough. Now we got dessert. It's the red velvet. Ooey gooey. I don't know what kind of name that is, but we finna get it in. Look at it. You done seen it. Look at it again. Oh. Man, I ain't gonna be able to eat this. I'm finna die. Just eat it. It's chocolate with a red coloring. Oh man. Oh, it's so moist. How'd I tell you? Oh, Faith gave it a thumbs up, and Faith don't like nothing but macaroni and cheese and chicken tenders. Faith, you probably looking out for me, making sure I don't get fat. Oh man, I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna take 2 more bites. I'm lying to myself. I'm just gonna get this corner right here. This is my video. It's good, ain't
That's
it?
2 bites.
I'm gonna take one more bite. One more bite. This delicious. This is one of the best desserts I never had in my life. Cause it's country. Why you don't make a ooey gooey red velvet cake? Oh, okay. Where ooey gooey come from? Get out of here before you clear up my life insurance.
You can lick the fork.
Boy, I'll pay you up and be your own people. Oh my God, that's delicious. Oh man. Oh man, that's quite delicious. Oh man. I need me a nap. 809 Willowbrook Drive, the Willowbrook Place Shopping Center, Unit 101, here in Hinesville, Georgia. You see the big sign on the outside that say Izola'S, whoever. You see them, just know the spelling when you get here. They bustin', man. Scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give them an 8.9. Cause they was delicious, man. Usually, like, people, I tried not to give people over 5, cause I'm real stern. I want them to step up their game. 8.9 is good. I'm trying to think of what I didn't like. Why you didn't give them a 10, Gilmo? I don't know, cause I compare stuff. Cause I used to live in the country. I used to live in Sparks, Adel, Valdosta. Them people cook very well. So I compare my country cooking to them. But 8.9 ain't bad, man. I'll be back. I might be back tomorrow. Just playing. I'll be back, man. So come on, get y'all some country cooking. They ain't paying me to say this. I just pull up on these people and they're like, oh, how you doing? Hey, what you want to eat? Good to see you. We don't know you, but good to see you. And when you get here, tell them Gilmo sent you. But they ain't gonna know who you talking about. But just tell them I sent you just the same. Tell them I got a YouTube channel. They need to check me out. Cause I said some good stuff about they food. And I'm just rambling now. And Faith just smacking all in my ear. I'm about to take this dessert from them. But I see y'all next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. Stay kinfolk. Bussin'.